Yeah. AMC is looking really good right now, guys. Let's go ahead and go over some of the latest news and also taking a look at the charts here. I'm going to keep this video nice and short and condensed for you. If you are new to the channel, do not forget to hit subscribe, hit the thumbs up like button. It does help us out with the YouTube algorithm, and feel free to share this video if you think other people would find this to be helpful as well. Just keep in mind, I'm not a financial advisor. Everything I'm sharing is my own opinion. It's my own research. I encourage you guys to go do your own research as well. So taking a look here at the charts, we can actually see that for the day, it technically closed out just slightly down, almost 1%. And this is kind of suspicious. I mean, are we really that surprised though? But go take a look at this. I'm going to look at this on the 1 minute chart and zoom in on here. So this is right before the market had closed. Started rallying, was doing really good, a little bit of fighting action, and just kept going and going and going. It hit all the way up here at $49. And then here comes the ladder attack, and it's just down, 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 down. And you guys can see volume was quite less than that big little rally that started to push it up there too. And it actually ended up closing it out just slightly down for the day. And then now in the aftermarkets, it's at 47.04. Here's the thing. Let's go ahead and look at it once again on the daily chart here. So we have a strong support line that's been showing an establishment going along here. And then we've been seeing a lot of resistance here up at the top. A lot of people have been talking about, hey, $48.50. We break above that, things are looking really good. So what I'm looking at right now is an ascending triangle pattern. And this is very bullish because we keep retesting these top positions and eventually you break through. It's like you got that ramrod thing when you're trying to break down the castle gates, right? I forgot what it's called. Anyways, you smack the door enough times, eventually you break on through. And here's what we're looking at right now. If we hit the $50 mark and we can break above that, the last time that we broke above that, the only time that we broke above that, guess what? It was on this huge daily candle back on June 2nd, and that shot all the way up here to the high right around the $72.60 range. And what's also pretty cool is that that lines up pretty darn well with our Fibonacci sequence on the 0.382. So it would make sense that breaking above that creates an opportunity to go to the next quadrant zone or higher. And we also know that with the new regulations, the margin call requirements, it's been over 48 hours now with all of this. There's a lot that's in play that is working towards our favor. So it is a waiting game, right? And let's go ahead and take a look at this as well. So I'm just going to show you guys that even if we don't hit that new high, or not the high, if we don't hit the high from before, here's where we could actually potentially play out on this next breakout. And if you take a look at this, I'm going to set up over here on the side, this lines up right on the line with the Fibonacci sequence on the 0.786. So I would expect to see some potential resistance when it does make another strong rally right around here at $64.83. As far as when that's going to happen, well, if it continues fitting within this little ascending triangle pattern, we're going to be seeing ourselves potentially having over the course of the next 2 days or so, because we have Thursday and Friday, it might, drop on down here. We could see it at $45.37, and then on Friday, $46.49 as far as for the low goes. And we're taking a look here at these low positions on these wicks. So then going into next week on the 13th, it's right there in that corner. You can't really wait any longer, and a lot of people tend to funnel in and they follow the technical analysis charts, and this includes institutional money, smart money, and we got some other good news that's been coming out. So let's go ahead and cover these other elements real quick for you guys. So overall, I'm very bullish, but again, it's just my opinion. AMC short interest update, estimated short interest is 19.23%, and that's what Ortex is reporting. So if they're about 20%, that's cool. This is AMC's highest estimated short interest level since May 10th. That's awesome. Utilization is 92.4%. That number is quite high, and people are expecting it to go even higher still. Taking a look also, Adam Aaron said Cinema History by AMC Theaters is launching a $25 million national advertising campaign. Never done before by any theater chain. Our magical and powerful commercials star Oscar winner Nicole Kidman explaining why seeing a movie at an AMC is so incredibly special. Really cool to see an established, accredited actor in a professional commercial that's promoting going to the movie theaters. I think this was a very smart move. In addition to that, Liz Claman, I think is how you say her name. She is a business news anchor woman. She actually has reported breaking AMC CEO Adam Aaron to Claman Countdown. We have made contact with GME or GameStop on a partnership. We're not ready to say what it is, says AMC, now playing offense to get folks back to the theaters with the epic $25 million ad spend. And then lastly, just kind of taking a look at some of these other elements. 750,000 shares available to borrow, shows 4.7 million ETF shares available to borrow. We can see that the fee has gone up for borrowed shares. It's now at 1.9%. It's nice to see that. Calls out of the money are currently 141,000. These would be expiring on this Friday. So a little bit of an opportunity going on there. The following week on the 17th is going to be very interesting. And then dark pool data, 62.7% reported for September 7th yesterday. So still above the 60% range. And dark pool data got negative 70 million shares and negative $3.27 billion. They're still very proactive using the dark pool. Would love to see that get totally eliminated. I mean, I think so many people are fed up with it. And that's going to be it for this video. I got referral links in the description. If you guys want to get free cryptocurrency or stock, go check those out. It is free money for you guys. And let us know in the comments down below what you think about all of this. And also, if you're new, don't forget to hit subscribe, hit the thumbs up like button, and feel free to share the video. Thank you, and I will see you in the next episode.